Hi. Oh,
Hi, and hi. Hi, this is CJ, Property Manager. We're back because our painters, they deal with all types of surfaces, including staining, not just painting, but staining. That's also very important, and it can really spiff up a property. So we're going to hear from Justin about a staining job here on the front door that needs some help. So here's Justin from Color World.
hi, I'm Justin, and today we're taking a look at this stained front door. Stained front doors really are one of the most unforgiving surfaces, and stain in itself really is more of an art form, where you're kind of having to work with the surface. And each surface, even if it's the same species of wood, will absorb and take the stain differently. You could have two of the same pieces of brand new wood, but set them on opposite sides of the house and go ahead and stain them, and then those two boards would end up being a different color already. But looking at this front door, typically front doors come sealed over the stain, so whenever we're coming in to take care of some of this stain color that has worn away, really the entire sealer coat has to be sanded down, and then we would be able to apply a like colored stain or darker without having to fully sand down the stain. But if we were taking this door to a stain color that was lighter, we would actually sand the entire surface down to the bare wood.
And what about weather protection? Because apparently this door has had weather.
Oh yeah.
Pushed it
For weather protection, really your stain will give you your protection against UV, and then your clear coat, your clear sealer, will give you that protection against water. And what the product I would recommend for this type of door would be the Helmsman spar urethane. Spar urethane is the same product that they use to seal up wooden boats, so it is a very durable product and completely waterproof.
So, this door, if we could get some ballpark numbers for staining and also painting for our landlords.
Yeah, so a door like this, I mean, it's a pretty simple style door, so there's not very many details where we'd have to be coming in with some detailed sanding. So a door like this, to sand, restain, and seal would run about $800.
Mm-hmm.
And then to paint a door like this, if it's just on its own, typically runs about $200.
Mm-hmm. And what about say painting the entire exterior of say a 1650 square foot house?
For a house that size, with simple trim and not too many different colors going on, we'd probably be around the $3,500 range for a 2-coat exterior paint job, including all of our prep work where we caulk gaps where wood meets wood. We also remove downspouts to paint behind and reinstall them once dry, and we make sure to mask off and tarp off any landscaping and any areas that are necessary.
Outstanding. Okay, now this is CJ, Property Manager. We're going to take a quick peek into one of the rental units here to get Justin's thoughts on the paint job that was done previous to my taking over and managing the property. So we'll be back, and this is Justin at Color World. Thank you so much.